guys, I hope you are doing well. Thank you so much for your hard work this semester. I know this can be a challenging course, and I hope that you'll give me feedback so that I can make it better for you. I want to talk to you a little bit about the engagement project. So, as kind of alluded to the fact that we needed to have volunteering, and so I gave you some examples, if you will, this semester on how you can do that. And a few of you have done those, but one of the major outcomes for the honors program is to engaging their community in service and leadership. And this will be done through a project. So this is a project that maybe you can help support on campus. I have connections with United Way. I'm more than happy to connect you in that way. Some of you have talked to me about doing pet port work, and that's fine. Whatever it is that you're passionate about, if you are, for example, a CNA or something like that, then maybe we can make that work as well. But you'll need to spend some time in that office, and it can only be a few hours. It doesn't have to be this huge amount of time. I know how busy you are. And then you will develop a brief questionnaire asking 5 to 10 questions and interviewing a manager, the leader of the office, to understand their leadership philosophy. We talked a lot about what you thought your leadership philosophy was like, or the characteristics of a good leader in this synthesis essay. And so we really want to understand what this person's leadership philosophy is. So we want to have questions, and I kind of give you a list of a few that you could ask. Once you're done with number 1, volunteering, 2, interviewing, developing that questionnaire, interviewing, then you will write this essay where you summarize what you've done. You summarize the time and your interactions, the interview, and then you analyze the situation. Did anything in this project remind you of the examples of leadership? Do you think this leader was effective for this context? Why or why not? What did you learn about yourself through this project? We're going to use MLA formatting, and it's going to be worth 10% of your grade. So those are questions to keep in mind. So, every week I'll kind of have you do some steps. So the first step will be the project planning, and I'll ask you to, what organization do you want to spend your time in? Just briefly answer these questions. It's just kind of a little check-in. And then we'll move on from there. You'll have a submission to actually submit your essay. So I honestly don't think it will be too labor intensive. Just the idea is, what do you want to do your project on? And this sort of explains all of that in a nutshell. So I hope that makes sense. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks.